Hey everyone, you're watching Cricket Official YouTube channel. As you all know, IPL is just 20 to 25 days to start. It starts from April 9th to May 20th. Sorry, May 30th. And how are you excited? Let me know in the comment section. So in this video, I'm going to tell about a big update coming from RCB camp. That is, Joshua Philippe makes himself unavailable for this year IPL 2021, and they name a replacement of him. That is Finn Allen, a player called Finn Allen. So let me clear you why Joshua Philippe is not playing this year IPL 2021. It's because of his personal reasons. They have not justified why he's not playing this year IPL 2021. Even in official RCB's Instagram handle, they have said Joshua Philippe is not available due to his personal reasons or personal problems. So we don't know the clear reason why what's going on there. So let it be. Let me introduce this new player, Finn Allen. Many of you might not be knowing this player. Many of you might have heard this name for the first time. So Finn Allen is a New Zealand cricketer, uncapped New Zealand cricketer who has been playing domestic cricket leagues such as Super Smash T20. I know that much only. I don't know much about him. So in Super Smash T20, he has quite a good record. He played 11 matches. Out of that 11 matches, he has scored 512 runs, 650s, and average of 56.86. He's a good, decent batsman. His average of 56, you can imagine. So he's yet to make international debut, but he got chance in IPL. I mean, not chance means I'm not sure whether he'll get into playing 11 or not. He got selected in the RCB team. So many of you might be thinking why RCB did not go for big openers like Alex Hales, Jason Roy, or Aaron Finch, Martin Guptill, etc., etc., etc. So let me clear you guys. RCB's budget is around budget is just 35 lakhs. When you see in the auction, they had 35 crores and they reduced into 35 lakhs by bidding on the players. So Alex Hales and who is that man? Jason Roy. Alex Hales and Jason Roy's base price is 2 crore. So they couldn't afford him due to shortage of their purse. So they had to go for uncapped players like Finn Allen. So this is the disappointment that RCB fans were thinking. Even in the comment sections, I saw why did you not go for Alex Hales or Jason Roy? Because they had shortage in purse. So this is the main important thing, guys. We have to not keep the short. I mean, we have to not spend all the money. We have to keep at least 1 to 2 crore in our purse in case of any emergencies like this. To get a replacement, we have to have a sufficient purse. So let me tell the role of this player. Finn Allen is a wicket-keeping batsman, a replacement for Joshua Philippe, who is also a wicket-keeping batsman. Let us see, will he get a chance in the playing 11 or not? But 90% of the cases, I think he will be seated on the bench because they are big star foreign players. And let me tell you, what are the four foreign combinations in the playing 11, in the starting 11 of the RCB. So in the top order, we can get to see AB de Villiers, then Glenn Maxwell as a big hitter, finisher, or he can bat at number 4 as well. So number 5 or number 6 as well. Then we can get to see Daniel Sams at tail end. I mean at tail ending department, and who is that? Kaylee Jamieson, the expensive bowler of RCB. He should get a chance in the team because the money they spend will be wasted. So Kaylee Jamieson, Maxwell, and AB de Villiers spots are fake. If Joshua Philippe was playing, I think even he will be. I mean, if he was playing, he will be fitted into the team as well. So at that time, when we made an analysis of RCB, we had Joshua Philippe, AB de Villiers, Maxwell, and Jamieson. So they have an extra slot for all rounder or any extra pace bowler. Like they could go for Dan Christian as well in place of Daniel Sams. So I prefer Daniel Sams because he's a left arm bowler, and RCB doesn't have any left arm bowler. So they can go for Kane Richardson as well instead of Dan Christian or Daniel Sams. They could go for Kane Richardson as well. So this opens the extra foreign slot for RCB. Uh, we should wait and watch whom they will play at whom they will play. Will it be extra bowler on or extra all rounder? So I think 90% of the case, Finn Allen will not get a chance. Mohammad Azharuddin will be opening with Devdutt Padikkal, and this is another thing. Two uncapped players will be opening for RCB. This is a major concern. We have to see whether it will be a good luck or whether it will be a bad luck for RCB. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Goodbye.